We got him on camera. Here's Mr. Roach.
That was bad.
Not up in Mike.
Here, I'm recording.
Hold on.
I'm recording.
Are you recording now? Yeah, you are.
Too much stuff? No.
I will put up with it. I gotta go, Peter.
Some did something to my ball. I think it was Sammy did something to my ball, everybody on YouTube land. Got on YouTube. Samantha got on YouTube. Come on! I thought you had that. Hey, pick up split. Yeah, he's drinking skunk piss tonight. Hey, got it on camera. Look at that beautiful strike. Oh, we got another beautiful strike on camera. Do that. Turn the oven on. No. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Oh, you did better. Oh, you can pick that up. Fuck yeah. This guy can. They told you couldn't get it. I'm beating everybody. Oh, shit. Okay, over and out to the next one.